Hello, my all cuties. How are you? I hope you all fit and fine at your home. So, we are enjoying our online nature study class, right? Can you remember what have we experienced in the previous classes? Yes, the different types of parts of plants. But today we will not see any parts of plants. Then what we will see? Any guess? Yes, today we will see something different. Today we will see different types of plants according to their needs, like flower, fruit, vegetable or something else. So let's watch. Now children, see this plant. This is a flower plant which contains so many beautiful yellow flowers. Let's see the next picture. This is a fruit plant which contains many fruits. This is papaya which is green in color, and this is brinjal which is purple in color. And now look at this plant. This is a tulsi plant. Now tell me, are all these plants look the same? No. So we have seen 4 different types of plants. The names of the plants are number 1, flower plant, number 2, fruit plant, number 3, vegetable plant, number 4, medicinal plant. So we have seen 4 types of plants. Now children, you are thinking, what are medicinal plants? No? Yes, we get some medicines from this type of plants. Medicinal plants help our body to protect from some diseases. Like when we get sick, like cough and cold or any stomach infection, then this type of plants help us in immediate recovery from any severe cases. So which information do we get from this video? Except getting flowers, fruits and vegetables, we can get also something different like medicine from the plants. So do plant more and more saplings which will grow into plant or trees, and they will provide us flowers, fruits, vegetables and medicines. So children, do plant more and more saplings which will grow into plants or trees which will give us everything. So today this much only. We'll come back soon. Till then, bye.